Gogo Dino! Dinosaur Land. I'm Gilda, your guide. While riding the train, please keep your arms and hands and feet in the train at all times. There's nothing to fear. These dinosaurs are nice and they will not attack as long as you do not provoke them. For extra precaution, we have Sheriff Steve.
Yeah, hi.
He will be with me today, helping to guide you through Dinosaur Land.
No funny business or I'll have to arrest you.
Welcome aboard. Oh, look, here comes our dinosaur train now. Hello, Thomas. Hello. Are you afraid? A little bit. There's dinosaurs everywhere. And I'm not used to dinosaurs. Well, just stay on the track and everything will be just fine. Okay, straight ahead. Oh, look. We have the exhibit, Sodar Dinosaur Exhibit. Check out those dinosaur eggs. Next we have actual dinosaurs preserved in sand. Check that out. Do you know how old those bones are? Wow. This is exciting, folks.
Video question. Who's in Dinosaur Land carrying an I love you sign and what movie will he be starring in? Miss Jory answer in the comments.
Off to the museum. Look what's coming down the track. We have T-Rex. Oh my goodness, it's a T-Rex exhibit. Let's check these bones out.
Those look like really scary bones, Hobby Mima. Thomas, bones can't hurt you.
Ooh, we can see the teeth and the eyes. Oh, look at the tail. This is going to the T-Rex exhibit. And we have baby dinosaurs. Oh, aren't they cute? They're just playing in the back. I'll follow you.
What's up ahead? Uh-oh, I see something up ahead of us.
Oh no, what is going on? We're stuck.
What seems to be the problem, Gilda?
I don't know, the train got stuck. Come with me. Why, it's Samson. Samson, what are you doing here today?
Well, I have a load of monsters and they wanted to come to Dinosaur Land.
Well, why did you stop our train?
Well, the monsters, they don't like the dinosaurs. They want out of here.
Okay, we'll pass on by. I don't know, Sheriff Steve.
What's the matter, Gilda?
Well, that just seemed awfully odd to me that Samson was bringing monsters through here. That's not normal.
Why not?
Well, monsters? Where are they from?
I don't know.
I'm a little suspicious.
What's gonna happen next?
I knew it! I knew there was something wrong. What are you doing here, you vicious vampire? Oh no, he's trying to eat our baby dinosaurs. I want to eat their flesh. Go away.
I'm the Wicked Witch of the East. And I'm going to destroy Dinosaur Land. Come with me, my little spider.
Hold it right there, witch. You don't belong here.
Oh, but I do. Haha, I'm going to destroy Dinosaur Land. Because I'm the Wicked Witch of the East.
What's going on, Samson? Why are you bringing these monsters here?
It wasn't my fault. They captured my train and they boarded on and then they made me come here.
Or is there any more?
Yeah, there's two more. Watch out! they come!
Stop them, Sheriff Steve.
I can't, they're stronger than me.
Hurting dinosaur! Get off of him, you alien monster! Come on, I'll help you.
You can't stop us.
Bulldozer, come get him! Well, it looks like our monsters got beaten by our dinosaurs from Dinosaur Land.
And it's a good thing, because I almost had to use a weapon on them.
Here, folks, we have our pile of monsters. Now, moving on to our exhibit. Thank you for visiting Dinosaur Land. Hope you enjoyed your visit. If you liked my dinosaur tour, can I have a big thumbs up? Oh, and don't forget to share this with a friend. Subscribe today so you can continue your fun